Don't focus on reducing your cost. Focus on shifting the emphasis of your products and services. And when you know you can't beat the idea, don't steal the idea, but merge with that idea. આઈડિયા ચોરી ન કરાય, આઈડિયા સાથે જોડાઈ જવાય જ્યારે આઈડિયા સારો હોય. Okay. So today we are going to talk about KM systems and KOL systems. KM systems and KOL systems are basically made for competitive advantage and taking competitive advantage, leveraging your customer base through competition in this competitive world. So what is KM systems? KM systems are knowledge management systems and KOL are knowledge online centers. So what we have bought in India in Rajkot, the first time in Rajkot, are merging our knowledge management system. We create a knowledge management system which is very much needed to create in this competitive world, because cost reduction is not going to improve your statistics, but shifting the emphasis of your customers is definitely going to help you. So how we build these KM systems? So first of all, we build knowledge centers. Knowledge centers are group of people, group of analysts, group of logistic people who continuously analyzes production technology. Why production technology? Because let's see, Reliance is making some products, Tata is making some products, XYZ company is making some products. So you are not going to cope up with their product management systems. You are not going to compete with that high capital people who can invest high and are leveraging the customer base. So what we do, we create a sustainable competitive advantage. How? By understanding and analyzing the people who are marketing their products rather than just analyzing their products and services. Because anybody can create products, but how they are sold to customers are through their service forms. For example, Reliance sells their products through a marketing XYZ marketing agency, and Tata uses ABC advertising and production agency. So what we do, we create teams who collectively collect data, analyze ideas and monitor XYZ company and ABC company. From those two companies we create a customized idea for you, generated for you. So this is how we would take a competitive advantage, by not just keeping an eye on your opponents, but we keep an eye on the marketing agency your opponent has been created, or the advertising agency they are merged with. So this is knowledge management system, KM system. We grab knowledge through which their products and services are sold. We grab knowledge online, we grab knowledge, we manage the knowledge we took from the companies which are selling their products, marketing their products, advertising their products. We do not help in shifting the trends. We help your product to get inside the trend. Because now we are not just focusing on their competitive company, we are also focusing on the company which is advertising your competitive market. Okay. So we are going to keep an eye on how those things work out. Another thing is competitive dynamics. Competitive dynamics is a very huge field where we analyze the market structure through trend and assessment. Because other marketing agencies and advertising agencies are usually going to set trends, build trends and get into assessment of their products. So what we do, we not just make trends like other agencies, but we also analyze and bring forth knowledge from all other agencies, assess their knowledge and see in which trend we can improve our trend through inserting a new trend, and in which trend we can get inside it. Okay, so this is another advantage of a KM system. Sure, let's talk something about service forms. So why KM systems are built? Because a good business solution is not created from scratch. A good business solution is created from a collective experience of different service forms. Until and unless you have a collective experience from different service forms, you cannot have a good business solution for you. because creating solution from scratch is again doing trial and error, again watching which things are good for you and which things are not good for you. But if you collect information from different service forms, you already know which things would give a good result and which things would give a bad result. So analyzing service forms is as important as analyzing your competitive market. Analyzing the service forms your opposite competitive market is using is as much important as analyzing their product. Okay, so we can understand what tactics and strategies are coming up next by your opponent before they are setting a trend. So this is how we understand how to get into their strategies. This will help in reducing cost, because now you have location problems. You can reduce location problems, you can set priorities accordingly, you can set preferences of your customer base accordingly. You can also adapt to changes fast, because adapting to changes is very difficult. Every time a new marketing agency creates a different trend, the first few people would get a very high advantage of that trend. Later on the trend will die down. So it is very good to adapt with change. And what we do, our continuously KM systems, we have knowledge centers at Essence IP Solutions. Few people continuously work to understand which trend is coming, which trend is going. So as soon as the trend comes, we grab the opportunity for you. We forecast trends, okay, which trends are likely to come faster through our teams. So if you need a good KM system, knowledge management system for your brand to smash the competition of your products, do contact Essence IP Solutions. So let's talk again. Another example or another pillar of KM system is that it helps in supply side and demand side externalities. We not just analyze the supply side network, but we also analyze the demand side network. Supply side network is obviously going to help you organizing your products, organizing your sales, creating offers, promotion and all things, okay. And demand side externalities is going to help you to understand how to give those products and services, how to increase your demand, what people actually need, and how to influence people, how other marketing agencies are influencing people, how to grab the same kind of attention, how to shift the emphasis of their products towards your products. So these all things come into demand side, and organizing the structure of your demand or your supply comes into supply side. So when a supply side organization or management conjoins with a demand side management, both these things combine and give you a knowledge management system. Okay, so this is going to take you to on the time supply or on the time sales. It will reduce your burden of things which are stored. Okay, that is also another advantage. And we help to create network synthesis, which is going to help you in creating better brand. And there are three main pillars for which knowledge management system works. The first one is dissemination and application of knowledge, which is somewhere in the organization but you don't know because you have not collected it. Okay, so we grab different knowledge which are segmented here and there. Our agency in Pune is doing something but you don't know it. Our agency in Nagpur is doing something, you don't know it. A service agency in Kolkata is doing something, you don't know it. But if you have a knowledge management system, knowledge centers, few specific people are grabbing information from all such agencies and creating a customized plan for you. So we disseminate all the different knowledge from different centers of the world, different service agencies, because we focus on different service agencies as much as different production agencies. So we collect the knowledge from different arenas and bring a customized plan for you. That is the first step. The second step is creation of new knowledge. Okay, creation of new knowledge helps because sometimes you have to create your own trend, sometimes you have to break the trend, because you have already formulated from your forecast and forecasting team that this trend is going to die in 10 days. So it is not important to invest in that trend because that trend is already a dying trend. So you create a new trend, and when something is dying and at the same time you create something new, people are obviously going to shift towards you. So that is taking competitive advantage when a trend is dying, creating new knowledge. So the third thing is a rapid conversation of knowledge. Rapid conversation of knowledge is very much important in trends because trends are highly involatile. Trends are usually coming and going. People mindset is a very short-term memory. It comes and goes, comes and goes. So it is necessary to give rapid conversion of your marketing strategy again and again and again. So we would keep it at Essence IP Solution. We would keep 3 backup plans. Plan A, which is currently going on. Plan B, if and only if Plan A is unsuccessful. And Plan C, if it is not giving high result, we also have a Plan C which can help in boosting your other segments or other products. And while the people's eyes and interest are in those boosting, we would again create new knowledge for Plan B. Okay, so it is called simultaneous strategization. We keep 3 strategies which are rolling simultaneously but work on one strategy. It's like constructing 3 roads, but you have only one car. So whenever you need, you channel from one path to another path. Then again you move forward, but you keep 2 other paths open for you. So if this path has stones, you again shift to the other path. Okay. So whenever third path has a stone and a speed breaker, you again shift to this path. Again you move forward till you have any speed breaker, and again there is a problem, you again shift your strategy. This is called shift strategy. Shift strategy is something which is first time in India at Essence IP Solutions. We create specific shift strategies which are based on market shift, demand shift, customer shift, interest shift, skill shift. Okay, we inculcate these things in your company policy, so that you can shift your own sales and your own strategies every now and then. It is called adaptive strategies. It adapts as the environment and situation comes and goes. Okay, this you will find exclusive at Essence IP Solutions, nowhere else. And the last 4th pillar is that allocation of resources, implementation, building asymmetries. And we don't have to compete with the demand, but we have to compete and reduce the variable cost. Because competing with the demand is very costly. Competing with the demand is also not very probable. It is a risky thing. But if you reduce your variable cost, when you reduce your variable cost, you have some liquidity available for investment. Now that money, that investment you can make in some another path, in some another strategy. And till the time that strategy is working, the second strategy is already giving result. Okay, so this is how simultaneous strategies are built up, so that to minimize your risk, whenever there are problems and issues, it is easier issue management because you have already created a backup strategy. You are not working on just one strategy. You have created 3 simultaneous strategies. So this is how KM systems, knowledge management systems, and KOL, knowledge online systems work. So another thing is compete with installed knowledge. Okay, there are 3 to 4 things you have to make sure while you are making a good KM system. I would not specify everything over here because it is my own USP to give in India. I am allocating few things which would help you. One thing is competing with installed knowledge. You have to compete with installed knowledge of people. Some trends which are going on, you have to compete with them. So there is a different strategy for competing with knowledge and skills people are already inside there. So when you think about chocolate, you would obviously going to think about sweetness. So that is installed knowledge. So you can use sweetness to advertise your chocolate. emphasize sweetness, people would automatically psychologically remember chocolates and then emphasize on chocolates, because if you emphasize your chocolate, sweetness is going to recur in their mind. So that is installed knowledge, the first part of KM system. The second part is dynamic competition with two-period model. What is two-period model? That giving supply side, demand side, and merging both the side. These are called two-period models. So we make two-period models for dynamic competitive strategies. Even if there are 3 to 4 different types of segments competing with your products, we make strategies so that every time the other competitive market or the other competition of your products and services is going on, we either set a trend and break their market, or we get into the same trend and get ahead of them. See, કાં તો રેસમાં આગળ વયું જવાનું અને કાં તો રેસ ફેરવી નાખવાનું. Okay, this is the basic strategy for competitive market. Either go ahead in the race, and if you can't go ahead, change the race, change the trend, but don't lag behind. That is the only funda. Okay, so another thing is, the next thing is breaking symmetric competition. You are in competition when you are having symmetry with their products. Break it, and the symmetry, get asymmetrical. So sometimes people think that selling asymmetric product is not good, but no, it is good. Think, Epifizz created Grapefizz, and when Grapefizz came, the market boosted with Grapefizz, but then they stopped Grapefizz and then they again started selling Epifizz. So that was bringing asymmetry, because there were many competitions for apple juices. Okay, Epi. There were many different competitions for apple juices. So what did they do? They created Grapefizz. Now they shift the emphasis of their products to the Grapefizz. From Grapefizz, they generated customers. So people started going to buy Grapefizz. Now after Grapefizz, they reduced the production of Grapefizz and they again started the production of Epifizz. So what happened? While the Grapefizz was on, people marketed things about Grapefizz. Oh look, there is a grape soda coming up. Oh look, there is a grape soda, purple soda. Okay, so Grapefizz was an asymmetry, because nobody created that. Nobody, I guess, the likeness of that product was also very less. So Grapefizz was an asymmetry, just built to break the competition of apple juices or Epifizz. Because when Epifizz started, it had many competitions for apple juices. Okay, so what they did, they created Grapefizz. Then they took Grapefizz out of the market and they leveraged the customers. Now when the customers are leveraged, they would again come to buy if Grapefizz is not available, okay, cool, give me Epifizz. So what did that happen? How did that happen? By creating asymmetry. They created an asymmetry. So sometimes creating asymmetry and investing in dubious market trends is also important, because by investing in dubious trends, you would be certainly knowing this thing won't work, but the thing that it would create an impact in the eyes of people. It will shift the emphasis of your customers towards you from the competition, and then again come back to your original competition. It's like if you are going in swimming competition and there is a freestyle race going on. So between the freestyle race, get into underwater and let people know, oh look, he is doing underwater in midway. But after 5 to 10 steps or 5 to 10 feet, again start doing freestyle. So what would happen? People's attentiveness will come to you. Then you are again into the crowd, but now people are watching you. First people weren't watching you, because you grabbed the attention. No matter that 10-15 minutes you were dubious, you were lagging behind, your speed was less. But when you come out, now already people are watching you and they are cheering you. So you are more enthusiastic. So what happened? That you it's like you pulled a rubber back, so there is stress, but when you release it, it will go with double speed. So that is creating asymmetry. So for many such strategies, for many such KMC strategies, for many such competitive advantage strategies, visit Essence IP Solutions. You are not going to get better strategies anywhere in Rajkot except Essence IP Solutions. Subscribe my channel, contact us, don't be shy.